Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to make your iPhone 2x faster. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is go to the settings in your iPhone and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the software update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. After this, simply go back to the general again, and in general you'll get to see background app refresh option available there. So make sure that the background app refresh is turned off. You don't need to update in the background, so make sure it is totally turned off. So tap on the or click on the off option available there and go back again to the general. Now in general, all you have to do is go to the iPhone storage and delete the unnecessary or unused apps, or you can simply tap on the app and clear the cache by offloading the app. So you can see if you have any unused or unnecessary apps, then simply delete them. After that, go back to the general in settings again and simply scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings. Note that this will reset all your settings to default, so you will need to reconfigure them afterward. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.